There's a website extension and mobile app called Coupert that will automatically go and find the best coupons and the best deals online when you're shopping online. All you have to do is add it as an extension. It works for Chrome, but it also works for Safari, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you're using, you're gonna be able to add it. Just click here to install it. It's gonna bring you to this page right here, add it as an extension. I'm on Chrome here, I'm gonna press add extension, and my extension is complete. All I have to do is press this little icon right up here, this extensions icon, and I have to pin this. So I just have to press this icon right here, and it's gonna pin it right over here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and create an account here. So I'm gonna go to this account tab and I'm gonna create an account from here. So it will save everything that I do online and find me the best deals that way. Okay, now I'm logged in and I have Coupert installed, and this is gonna kind of work in the background. You actually don't have to come back to this website. This is gonna work on any website, and it's gonna try different coupon and promo codes automatically. And there's a couple other things that it does really well too. Now the way it works is every time you go to any checkout page, as long as there is a coupon code, it will test it, and I could go ahead and try to apply that coupon code over here. And this is gonna show you this pop-up right here. Coupert is automatically testing coupon codes. And just like that, you're saving $2.70 so far. It found a coupon that worked on this checkout. So as you could see, it works in the background. You don't really have to go find any of these coupon codes. You don't have to test a bunch of them. It's gonna work right here automatically. It will apply the coupon code. And then the second way is really useful is it actually helps you find cash back. So it says cash back found, and then you could go ahead and apply that reward as well. So not only can you find these coupon codes to save you money, but on top of that, you could actually get some cash back just for shopping online. Now, the third way you could use it is this option where it compares different prices automatically. So I'm on Amazon here and I'm trying to buy this right now, but it says low price across 5 stores. I could click there. Now it's actually gonna do the shopping for me, and it's gonna find it in different places. So it says if I buy it from eBay, I could save $4 here. And if I buy it from Best Buy, I could save $1 there. And anytime you get to a checkout page of a website, you could always click this right here to see what kind of coupon codes are available. If it doesn't automatically apply them, you could see more coupon codes from here. And you could always go to the Explore tab here, go to the trending stores, and then see different deals that are available right now. And you could jump into any of these websites from here and apply either the discount code or the cashback right from this pop-up. Thanks for Coupert for sponsoring this video. I'll have a link in the description below for you to test it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.